Hej, si naredila domačo nalogo?
Ja,
Si jo lahko prepišem? Prosim.
menjam za čokoladno mleko.
Okej.
Domača naloga je narejena.
Pazi.
Jure,
Prosim.
pri biologiji smo.
Vem.
Meni se zdi, da je to domača naloga od matematike.
I hate you because I don't agree with what you do, because you never seem to have a clue what's wrong or right. You disgust me, writing with your left hand like it's right. I think you're gonna start a fight too.